We're not done. Small Town Titans is gonna keep trucking away as long as you show up. Are you gonna show up? We'll see you there. Let's finish off a beautiful night by celebrating 13 years of music together. There's Ben Guiles, Phil Freeman, and Johnny Rouse, everybody. Thank you so much for helping us build a legacy in this area. You are that legacy. We are just a part of it. God bless you all. This is our last song.
Said, man, tell me what makes you happy inside. I said, 6 strings and a woman to love. That's the kind of life I've been dreaming of. Well, I learned fast, it's hard to have both. A 6-string life is always on the road. Well, new cities, new stories to tell, but I traded all away just to have my own doorbell. He said, look around, what do you see? I looked him in the eye, said your lifestyle's healthy. 4 walls, food in the fridge, a well-trained dog and a stable job. He said, those are material things. Don't ever take for granted things that money can't buy you. I got a house, a car, and a suitcase, but I traded all away just to have my own dream to chase. And I have a dream. I wonder if we trade our lives, would we truly be happy? And now I go around singing the truth. I finally realized that what I've been through is something that you can't take from me. It's not concrete, it is memories, and I'll never take for granted again all the loving eyes that wanna see where I'm going. The other side's the same old truth. Where would your family be without you?
You ready to finish the song with us? Yeah! Let's do it.
Truly be happy. Thank you guys for 13 years.
Let's do a photo together. How about it? So our camera guy's gonna be back behind the camera. I want you to raise your hands up like this. And on the count of 3, I want you to say, "Fuck you, Ben!" 1, 2, 3. Fuck you, Ben!
Fuck you!